Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to wire transfer on Citibank, and this is actually very easy. All you need to do is head over to the app and then you're going to select transfers and payments. From there you're going to click on set up a wire transfer and then they'll ask you if it's a domestic, foreign or user model. So select whichever one it is. If it's within the country, select domestic. If it's foreign, then click on foreign. After that it's going to ask you for all of the information, so click on that one and put in all of the information and then click continue. It's going to ask you to review the information one more time and send if you want to send the wire or save as model only. So if you want to save now, click on send wire and it's going to ask you to submit the wire, and from there you're going to input the password if it wants, and then it will ask you for an additional approval, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.